Hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Felicia here with another video, and it's BoxyCharm time, y'all. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, I got my December BoxyCharm. I'm not gonna lie, I did open it, and I hope this lighting is okay. I don't have my ring light on because I wanted to keep my glasses on so I can read the card and see. Plus, it's a sunny day, so I decided I'll try to record with some natural light. So I hope that everything is looking okay. Okay. Now, so like I said, I got my December BoxyCharm. I did open it. So, but I didn't like get into reading a card or anything like that. I opened this, saw what it was, closed it back, and said we'll really get into it on camera. So if you're not familiar, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service. It's $25 a month, and they send you 5 full-size products, beauty, skincare, and things like that. So this is what it's looking like on the inside. This month is Bubbles and Glitz. So let's see what I got. It's real lightweight. Is nothing spectacular. So I'm gonna talk about that in a second. Let's get into what I got. So the first things first is these Luxe Iconic. Wait a minute. Is this it? Yeah, Luxe Iconic eye set. This is a eye brush set. And the regular price is $45. I'm trying to... Oh, now I got lipstick everywhere. And get into this beat real quick. Let's talk about it. I just did another video. I'm knocking out videos today like boop, boop, boop. So, got my little face together. Look at that highlight. See that? So... this is a eye brush set. It says, what's the first step to achieving the perfect smoky eye, cut crease, or bold cat eye? The right set of brushes. This iconic eye set has all the brushes the experts use to create flawless eye looks, from natural and simple to bold and colorful. I will say they feel nice. I love the way that the brushes, the handles feel. That's important to me because when you're, shading and blending and doing everything like that, you want a nice little handle. They are really soft. I love that. Ooh, and I like that. Do they tell you? Yeah, large shader, flat definer. I like to use these for like my if I'm doing an under eye, like a what is it called? I can't even remember what it's called. It's not a shadow. Whatever. I like to use this brush when I'm doing eyeshadow under my eye. Smoky eye. There it is. I like to, smoke it out with that brush. We have the pencil. Okay. That seems like thick for a pencil, but I'll take their word for it. Tapered blending. Okay. Oh, I see it. I kind of see it. Well, this is good for a crease, if you're doing creases and stuff like that. And then we have a small blender. This is good if you want to put like something in your corner. You're doing your corners. So these are nice. They're nice. They're soft. They firm and soft at the same time. And what I mean is, like, so they're soft to the touch, but the bristles are like don't move a lot, which is kind of good because that means they'll pick up product pretty well. But I don't know how that will work with blending. But $45 brush set, and they're cute. My favorite color, I love a rose gold and a soft pink. So it's going to be cute to add to my brush collection. Plus, it's about time for me to throw away some brushes. I really need to go in and organize my makeup, and I got some old stuff that I need to throw away because it's past 12 months. It's way past 12 months. And I also have brushes that I've had forever that they old, and it's time for them to go. So Getting some new brushes is great. Next, I have wait a minute. Oh yeah, the Tarte Double Beauty. What is this? Man Eater Mascara. Warning, maximal compliments ahead with this volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara with a soft flex brush and a lightweight triple black formula. This is $23, but I can tell you what it is not. Oh, and mascara only lasts for 6 months, huh? I definitely got some mascaras that need to get thrown out. So this is the packaging. Cute packaging. I love this. This is really cute. Cute design. What I was going to say is it does not say that it is waterproof. My eyes tend to water a lot, so I do like a waterproof mascara. And it's not saying that. I don't see it anywhere. And typically what I notice in these subscription boxes is that they don't really give you a waterproof mascara, which is odd to me. But I'm going to see what this brush is looking like. Oh, yes, a nice thick brush. I like that. So this is the brush, nice and thick. And I do like a mascara that gives me volume, that helps to lengthen my eyelashes are kind of long. So a good volumizing mascara that's going to give me some length and a little curl, because I don't wear falsies. I can't. I can't. And I kind of feel like I don't need it. You see that? Oh, boop, boop. You see that? Look. Give your profile view. I kind of feel like I don't need it. I feel like if I put on a good mascara, it'll make my eyes pop the same way falsies will. So I don't really do falsies, but I love a good mascara. So excited to try that. Next, we have the Vise Art Professional Makeup. This is a seamless eye primer. I just used the new eye primer today, and I don't know. It seemed like it made it hard to blend. So this is $24. It's real simple. The seamless eye primer works with all eyeshadows to ensure crease-free and vibrant wear. They kept it short and sweet. They're not giving you anything, no more, no less. See what it's looking like. Just a simple tube, just a basic eye primer. Good for when you're putting on your eyeshadow. So that's good. I have one, but it's really, I think the tube is small, and I just threw away an old one. So I'm going to try this out, because the one that I tried to do this eyeshadow look, if you can see it, it was really matte. It seemed like it was real matte, and it made it hard to blend the eyeshadow that I have on. So I'm going to definitely try that one. Next, we have the Ofra Cosmetics Pressed Banana Powder. This innovative matte powder is a lightly banana scented and extremely versatile. Use it to conceal dark under eye circles, set concealer and foundation, highlight, or even as a matte eyeshadow. Okay, they saying it's gonna do a lot in this little eyeshadow, this powder. I'm about to tear this box up though. God. And this is $35, and it's saying it is a Boxy exclusive. Ooh, I like this matte. It has a matte packaging. I like this packaging. Nice and matte. I am going to pop it open because it said it smelled like banana. I guess I'm not really big on banana flavors, so I don't know, but that's that. I need a new pressed powder. I'm gonna see how this works. It says it's lightweight and it does everything, so we might play with this and try that out, because I need a new pressed powder. The ones that I have, it's time for them to go to the trash. Last but not least, we have a eyeshadow palette. This is the Caliente palette by Artist Contour. Turn up the heat and get ready to feel Caliente fantasy. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 richly pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. These colors have been carefully curated to design wearable, vibrant, and colorful looks. Transform your eyes with this versatile, glow-getter approved palette. It is $30. And I'm going to be honest with you, I am not impressed. That's what it's looking like. I'm not really impressed with these colors. It's not anything that's popping out to me that I'm like, oh yeah. So this palette will be getting passed on. If I know somebody that likes to wear like colors like this, like that hot pink and that orange and that yellow, and you know, if I know someone who likes to wear bold colors like that, I'll definitely pass this on to them because I am not a fan. The colors are Cultura, Fuego, Vibrous, Margarita, Sensual, Mamacita, Brillo, and Rumba. And it's not really doing nothing for me. It's just not. And it's odd that they will send this in December for like, what is it called? Bubbles and Glitz, because there's nothing about this that says glitz, glam, holiday to me. So with that being said, I do want to say this. I'm really starting to think that BoxyCharm is trying to push people into getting their Luxe boxes. And the reason that I say that is because my last 2 BoxyCharm boxes have not really been like anything mind-blowing. I haven't had anything that I was like super impressed with. And I want BoxyCharm to work on this packaging. Like, throw some little confetti in here. Make it cute. Make me excited. Like, to just get my box and I open it and it look like this. Even if it is good products, I'm still just like underwhelmed with it because of the packaging. So I'm really starting to think that BoxyCharm wants people to go into the Luxe, and their Luxe is an extra $25 a month. No, I think it's an extra $25, and you get like an extra box or something like that quarterly. I'm still looking into it, but I think that that's what they're trying to push people into doing. And I'm gonna be honest with you and say I might be a sucker and get the Luxe, try the Luxe out just to see if it's a real huge difference from your regular BoxyCharm. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.